Hello everyone, thank you for joining us for today's webinar, Top 10 Trends in Insurance 2017, presented by the Aite Group Insurance Analyst Team, which is led by Aite Group co-founder and research director Gwenn Bézard.
We speak to a lot of people over the course of the year, and the one trend that really became apparent to us as really looking to break big in 2017 is that cyber insurance is going to move beyond simply data breaches. Let me dig into that. Cyber is a pretty notably hot product. A lot of people are really talking about it and trying to determine whether or not they need coverage. The challenge is that the product is often misunderstood. If you ask most executives at companies about whether they should have cyber coverage, they typically look at their data and say, well, if my data can be compromised, then yes, we do need a cyber package. And they're not wrong. But what we've seen and what we're hearing from insurance executives is that more and more companies that don't necessarily deal with a lot of customer data are becoming really solid candidates for cyber coverage. Think about it in these terms. The traditional industry classes like healthcare, financial services, retail, everyone's covered there. And in the event of a data breach, people get their credit monitoring paid for the next 2-3 years, however long it happens to be. But manufacturers, for example, if they need to rely on a sound internet to source materials for them to make their products, if their network is breached, if it's taken down by a cyber attack, well, that's a business interruption, and they're not able to make their products, and therefore will lose money. This really is no different from any other peril that exists in insurance, whether it's fire, or wind, or hail, or vandalism, or anything like that. So what we are hearing is that insurers are going to increasingly treat cyber risk as a peril and not just as a pure data breach, and will continue to push that across all industry classes, not just a very narrow segment such as healthcare, financial services, and retail.